Lovely sunny day in Bangalore, and I've decided to sort of take a dip in the pool because क्या है कि अगर आप इतने बड़े फाइटर्स के साथ रहेंगे और ऐसे हसीन वादियों में आएंगे तो स्विमिंग पूल का मज़ा कुछ और होता है। लेकिन सोचो स्विमिंग पूल में अगर मैं -10 डिग्रीज जितना आइस डाल दूं, will you survive it? Will I survive it? Well, unfortunately, we'll find out in some time because after all the challenges that we've been playing, with Sham and Clinton, there was this one challenge that was left because of recuperation. You will see just when I'm about to jump into that water, what has happened to me and why these big fighters are as they are, and the ice bath is the most important thing, something I'm petrified about. But a man must do his duty, he must do his duty. तो मैं भी अपने आप को sacrifice करने वाला हूं. Let's go jump into the ice bath. आज आपको बहुत खुशी हो रहा होगा, Clinton, for you and for Sham sir and for Jitesh sir. Now that you are sacrificing me to this, what should be the strategy and why do people do this so much? You do it every day?
I do it once a week. Not every day. Once a week. But I feel today the cubes were a little bit more. No?
These fellows are trying to psych me out, but they don't have to try. It's very cold. Man, this is hurting. Sham, tell me something. तो आपकी जब फाइट की इमीडिएटली बात ही करते हो क्या या फिर एवरी वीक?
Every week. So
टेक्निक क्या है इसको कॉन्कर करने के लिए?
like you need to be calm. You shouldn't focus on the ice water.
That is all I can see. I can only see the ice. Now, sir, as a sweet bakra that is being about to be chadhaud, can you tell me what is the slight tactic that I may use? So I may see. They have given me target of 8 seconds. I'm going to try 8 seconds. I am going to. Sometimes what happens is because they're fighting so much, they don't know the difference between seconds and minutes. So that a target of 8 seconds they are going to try, which is looking very difficult also. Sir, बताइए, what is the method and technique?
You just need to get inside and not think about it. That's it. It's very simple. And Salil, you're doing 10 minutes. Come on, Salil, you're doing 10 minutes. I know you can do it.
Of course, I can do 10 seconds, sir. We'll try for 10 seconds. But believe me, like you know what? I'm getting a headache just putting my hand inside. It's so cold. Anyway, so I would like to show you. This is pure ice. I'll have to sit inside this pure ice. Please understand this. This is the ice. You understand? This is the ice. So now the two fighters have just gone inside this -1000 degrees. Wow. You can't even hear them feeling cold there. I am not going in.
I don't want to talk anything.
You don't have to say anything. I'm just taking your breathing. Piece of cake?
Piece of cake.
I'm not going in. I'm not going in. I'm not going in. So I have decided this is my ice bucket challenge. Ready? And 1. Bas. This is what I plan to do. Listen, that is hurting. No, I'm not going inside. See, ये लोग बड़े जो प्रोफेशनल एथलीट्स होते हैं ये काफ़ी कुछ करते हैं. Very important. All the ice is there. Sir, my arm is hurting.
This is not cold. This is still not cold.
Yeah, Salil and Jitesh sir will go in.
No.
No, it doesn't matter. We'll provide.
No.
Yeah. Salil and Jitesh sir will go next after us.
But this. So normally, how long would you do this for?
No, Thursdays, every Thursdays we upload our video on ICSA page. So then watch his reaction.
But today you'll do for 10 minutes, is it?
Yeah. We can do that.
Easily 10 minutes, huh? My God. You have to see the zen-like behavior of these two athletes. I can't even explain to you how cold it is. Now, if you know what an ice bath is, this is not an ice bucket challenge that used to happen a long time back on social media. This is like hardcore ice. And I cannot even tell you how cold it is when I put my hand inside it. So yeah, they're inside and they're going to do this, man. Okay. Oh my God. But I agree that once you come in, it gets a little better if you don't move.
Don't move.
It's my incredible Budhau competitive spirit that doesn't let go. Just don't move the sun. Just stay right there. What is the feeling that your hand is shaking inside? But I can't feel it. It's shaking. I have the greatest respect for all athletes who do this for a living. I'm so lucky I actually get paid to jump into the pool. Otherwise I wouldn't do this. Oh my God. And I plan to, you know, you're right, if I don't move it gets better. Oh, no. Don't mess around, man. Don't mess around, bro. But sir, have I, man, this is really nice now.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, wow. I'm loving it. Thank you, gentlemen, for, oh, this is really good. Yeah, very normal now, bro. This is a piece of cake. I have to say that I don't know why these fighters are behaving like this. No, this is actually really, really good for the body. So, can you tell me what the difference that chili shower and this is? The chili shower that comes out of the water, is that the same? You have to put the mic on.
Yeah, not really. The water is moving. And like chili sour is like, it's cold, but it's like, this is like fully like, you know, see, ice, right?
It's my hands that pain. You know, the fingers that actually pain. Otherwise, the rest of the body seems fine. You see, this is what they do to try and break your resolve. But I won't listen. You know, the thing is, I was born to do my own thing. So yeah. No, coach, don't put any more ice. No, don't put any ice. No, then don't put any ice. No, this is fine, sir. This is fine.
You're not feeling anything.
Actually, no. Actually, you're right. My body's quite numbish. Actually, look at the sun. It's so beautiful right now. Okay, done. Ready? And ready? Ah. Yes. It's okay. Ready, boys? Okay, ready? Okay. That was not too bad. It was really difficult to do, but if a normal person does it,
That's good. That's good.
it's great for the body. So I thought we'd do 5 seconds. We did about a couple of minutes, which is not bad. But I don't think I want to do too much of it and just risk getting unwell. So yeah. I have pins and needles on the body. My only fear was that in front of champion athletes, हम अपने आप को stupid नहीं दिखाना चाहते थे. Thank you so much for this experience. You know, these are once in lifetime experiences. And how are you feeling, sir? That we won the paintball challenge yesterday. See, they hit me so badly yesterday, as you can see. And here also, see how they hit me.
See, he says ki he won, but see the marks on the body, neck, hands, everywhere.
I took,
And that's all me.
sir, I sacrificed myself for the team. Clinton, do you agree with that?
What, you didn't sacrifice anything? See,
Two players shot. They were doing nothing. So it was 3 versus 5.
You know, the beauty is, sir, the video doesn't lie. So we'll see that. But this,
This marks doesn't lie.
yeah.
See how many marks he has, how many marks I have.
See how they were hiding and not coming in front of our guns. But it was an incredible experience. I loved it. Thank you so much. It really was something else. And try this at home under supervision. You really feel so good. What they said about dopamine and all that, it really is good. But of course, you should be in that kind of... Even I train a little bit, so, you know, I was able to do it. Just jump in only when you actually understood this.